Alright, you guys, welcome back to another Projects by Jay, and today we have the unboxing of an Android head unit display. So this is actually one of the cheaper ones off of Amazon. I got it around, what was it, $47? So pretty damn cheap. And it's going to be going into the CRV. Yes, you guys, I got another CRV, and again putting in another Android head unit. So here we go with the unboxing. Okay, I went ahead and took things out of the box, so this is pretty nice. You get a bezel for it. My other one I ordered didn't come with the bezel. I had to order separate. Your remote, of course, the head unit right here, part number 7023B. And these are all the parts. Your hand controller that you connect to the steering wheel, your wires, even come with electrical tape and that plastic thing for removing stuff. This head unit, sorry it's at a bad angle. If I raise it up, then it's going to get dark, but it's going to be replacing that unit. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and then we could get the Android unit in and test it out. I'll look after it's done being installed. So for my CRV specifically, was pretty simple. It's just two screws under here. You just unscrew those, and then you're able to take this out and then have access to one screw here, one here, and then the same on this side, one here and one down here holding the head unit in. Just unscrew those, and then the installation process was pretty much straightforward. The wiring was just color to color. The only wiring that was different was the reverse signal for the camera. And the only thing I had to mess around with were the brackets holding the head unit in. I had to adjust those a little bit, just drilling new holes pretty much, and they were able to fit in. So this is how it look. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and let you guys see. So here's how it looks. It's actually here, and it's in the off mode. Let me turn it on. All right, there we go, and it's hooked up to Bluetooth. So the only thing that sucks is I'm using my phone to record, so I can't really use the Bluetooth while I'm recording, but it does work. Um, so this is how the menu looks like. I guess it's pretty much your home screen menu. I'll probably prefer something nicer, but I guess for $48 pretty much, I can't complain. The only thing that didn't work for me was the phone link. I think it only works with Android phones, and since I have a iPhone, it doesn't work. But I did try using the USB right here, and it did mirror the phone right away. So all you have to do is just plug in your Lightning to this USB port right here onto your phone, and it'll be able to mirror whatever you have in your phone. I tried using Netflix, but YouTube did work. So just throwing that out there. And haven't really gone through the other settings. The only thing I messed with was the Bluetooth and the radio and my reverse. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip into reverse and let you guys see. So it works pretty quick, and that's how the back of it looks. So for mine, I got it hooked up a little different, and this is just to help me when I back up into things. So check it out. Is the camera and where it is mounted. So I just mounted up to the headliner and just ran the wires behind it, so it's all nice and hidden. And the reason why I did that was because the CRV, their back doors, it opens off to the side. And originally I was going to put it on the back window here, but the back window here also opens too. So I didn't want extra wire hanging out when I opened the door and whatnot. So I figured the best way was just to mount it right there where it wasn't going to move whenever I opened the door. So yeah, that's how it looks. So as you guys can see, it's pretty loud. The only thing that is different is that when you put it onto the radio, the volume I'm here just like 4 or 5 is already loud, but then when you hooked it up to your Bluetooth, you have to turn it up more for the sound to kick in. It's kind of weird, but just know that when you hook it up to Bluetooth, you do have to turn it up a little bit more just to hear the sound. So yeah. Alright, and just in case you guys are wondering, here is the wiring diagram for whatever wire it connects to.